Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a good lemonade stand. Start by choosing a busy spot and securing any necessary permissions from property owners. Set simple prices and offer a small menu with clear options. Keep the setup clean, bright, and shaded to attract customers. Use fresh lemons and balance sweetness with tartness for repeat sales. Smile, engage politely, and track what sells best. Arrange your stand for comfort and efficiency with everything within arm's reach. Position pitchers, cups, napkins, and a trash bin so service flows smoothly. Place attractive signage with prices and ingredients to build trust quickly. Keep an ice chest to maintain cold lemonade without watering it down. Consider a small menu board for flavors and add-ons like mint or berries to boost average sale value. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfy feet on long lemonade shifts. They hold up through sticky summer work and keep you moving. I've linked a deal in the description along with other offers, so check that out when you can. Now let's get back to the video. Plan operations so each helper knows their role, like pouring, taking payments, and restocking. Prioritize food safety by using gloves, clean utensils, and chilled storage to prevent spoilage. Offer both cash and mobile payment options to capture more sales. Track inventory and money in a simple notebook or app to understand costs and profits. Train helpers to greet customers warmly and answer questions about ingredients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.